Once a baseline schedule has been agreed for the project, the team is then able to use the flow system to target their key upcoming tasks, report on constraints, make activities ready for commencement, report progress, report issues impacting them, and assign actions to resolve those issues. All of this information is held in the system to provide visibility to all users on the project status. As part of the project setup, all users will have access to view the report and review section, to view the dedicated work plans for particular disciplines along with the status of tasks and issues that have been reported. In addition, certain individual users will be given particular access to report progress and issues for their discipline organization. This particular functionality will be covered by Tutorial 4.1. To access the report and review section, navigate to the project's homepage. Below the project's title you will see the current work plan start and finish dates. Before you can report progress and review tasks, make sure that a work plan has been issued by a project manager or an owner of the project. Then select the report and review option to advance to the report input page. From this page, you will be able to see all of the resources or different scopes of the project you've been assigned to report for, the remaining time before the current work plan ends, actions assigned to you by other project members, issues raised by you, your focus tasks for the current work plan period, look ahead tasks for the next work plan period, information from other team members on which you are dependent and waiting to be solved, information requested from you by other team members. Reporters and stakeholders can also view the Gantt chart view by clicking on View Schedule. To see an in-depth review of each of these sections, please refer to the relevant tutorial video from our Flows tutorial database.